In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure WordPress on DigitalOcean with a free SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt. This is a crucial step to ensure your website is secure, trustworthy, and provides a safe browsing experience to your users. Let's dive in. First, let's connect to your DigitalOcean droplet via SSH. This will give you command line access, which is essential for the following steps. You can do this by executing the SSH command in your terminal. Enter SSH root at your droplet IP and hit enter. This will allow you to log into your server securely. Once you're connected, the next step is to update your system. Keeping your system up to date is important for security, as updates often contain patches for known vulnerabilities. To do this, simply type apt update and an apt upgrade y and wait for the process to complete. This command will update the package lists and upgrade your packages to the latest versions available. Now that your system is up to date, we need to install certbot. Certbot is a tool for managing SSL TLS certificates from Let's Encrypt. It's user-friendly and automates much of the process, making it perfect for our needs. Begin by entering api install certbot python 3 certbot nginx y. If you're using Apache instead of nginx, you'll want to type api install certbot python 3 certbot apache bus y. This will install certbot along with the necessary modules for your web server. Once certbot is installed, we're ready to generate the SSL certificate. If you're using nginx, input certbot nginx.yourdomain.com www.yourdomain.com. If you're on Apache, use certbot apache.yourdomain.com www.yourdomain.com. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain. This will create a new SSL certificate and automatically configure your web server to use it. Now, certbot will present a series of prompts. Follow them carefully. You'll be asked to provide an email address. This is necessary for you to receive important updates or renewal reminders. After entering your email, you must agree to Let's Encrypt's terms of service. Next, certbot will ask if you'd like to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. Choose option 2 to enable this. This ensures that all traffic is securely encrypted, enhancing your site's security. With the SSL certificate set up, it's time to verify the installation. Visit https://yourdomain.com in your browser. If everything's correct, you should see the padlock icon indicating a secure connection. Finally, you'll want to set up auto renewal, as Let's Encrypt certificates expire every 90 days. Run systemctl status certbot.timer to ensure the certbot timer is active. Then